This model has 12 presets, but let's be honest, the 3 features I actually use are the preheat, the shake, and the app. First, the preheat function. A lot of cheaper air fryers skip this, and it makes a huge difference. Hitting preheat runs it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 4 to 5 minutes. When you throw frozen fries or Brussels sprouts into a preheated basket, they get crispy immediately instead of steaming and getting soggy. It's a small step that gives you a much better, more consistent texture. Second, the shake reminder. If you're using the fries or vegetables preset, the machine will beep and flash shake halfway through the cook time. This is genuinely useful. It's so easy to forget, and this audible reminder is my cue to go give the basket a toss. It's a simple feature, but it means I don't have to set a separate timer, and my food cooks more evenly. Finally, the VeSync app and smart controls. I thought this was a gimmick, but I've been pleasantly surprised. I connected it to my Google Assistant, and now I can just yell, "Hey Google, preheat the air fryer," while I'm still chopping vegetables. The app is even better. I can be in the living room, get a notification on my phone that the air fryer is done, and hit the Keep Warm button right from the app. It's not life-changing, but it is incredibly convenient.